In primetime news this evening, nurse dies from complications of COVID-19, but the events leading to her death has angered the NAJ. Hotel workers testing positive for COVID-19 at alarming rate, and a situation nearing crisis proportion. It's how officials describe the hospital situation in Western Jamaica.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, how are you preparing for back to school? You can share comments online at Television Jamaica, at facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.